Hello everyone. Hi Pisces water sign. So today I'm going to do special bonus reading for you. Year ending message. So 2020. So let's see your messages for 2021 also. So let's see your messages first from Moon Oracle. So it may resonate or not. Please take what resonate because this is general reading. So let's see your messages, Pisces. A new romantic cycle begins. Wow. You are very close to achieving your goals. Wow, wow. So here two cards. Okay, I only and bring love into the situation. Okay, so bring love into the situation. I think you are more focused on your work right now, so give time your family and spend time with your loved ones, what I'm seeing here. So I think you are not talking to someone you love, so talk to them because you are busy with your work. Spend time with your loved ones. So this card is about, and you are very close to achieve your goals. Definitely, yeah, you are halfway. Definitely your goals are going to be achieved. Please be consistent. Definitely there is some achievement is coming and your goals are going to be achieved, and a new romantic cycle begins. Definitely your love life is going to be next level. Yeah, a new romantic cycle is begins. Okay, the new moon in Libra and new moon in Aquarius. Yeah, definitely this is a so spend time with your family and with your loved ones. Take give time to them, and it is also time for achieving your goals. Be consistent. Okay, so let's see from tarot your messages, what's going on, and challenges, hopes, fears, outcome, and advice. Pisces. Under the deck, Seven of Cups. I think you are in some confusion state. You are fantasizing about someone a lot. Definitely for some it is a lot of confusion. For some it is fantasizing about the other person a lot. So the present situation is Page of Pentacles. I think you want to communicate someone or someone want to communicate you. Some messages, some communication. Yeah, some apology. I think you want to send some apology message to your person if you are in separation, because the challenge is separation. Definitely Five of Pentacles, you are undergoing some cold shouldering. Definitely there is separation between both of you. I think in recent past you may be reconciled with your person. You are very happy because you are connected with your person, that you both could be like soulmates. You both have strong past life connection with each other. Six of Cups, you both are emotionally connected with each other. And yeah, because Ten of Cups, when you both are with each other, you be like this. You are very happy when you are with this person. But the challenge is Five of Pentacles. Definitely for some there is separation or no talking between both of you, no contact. Five of Pentacles, yeah, right now you are going through some separation phase from with your person. And yeah, and Page of Pentacles, I think you want to communicate with your person and you want to say apology to your person. What I'm seeing here, some communication right now. Page of Pentacles. For some in career wise, you want to invest your money and you are now concentrating on your money because you are undergoing some money losses, because Five of Pentacles means some financial losses also. Yeah, right now you are not happy with your family because you are undergoing some financial issues also. Pisces, Ace of Wands, uh, the outcome. So definitely, but all this you will start something new in your life. And Ace of Wands means some new beginnings in financial and career also, and in relationship also, because the romantic cycle is going to begin in Moon Oracle. Definitely there will be some new beginning is going to be happen between you and your person if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, definitely your love life is going to be next level. Okay, and Path to the future is Two of Swords. Still you are at some crossroads. I think you are going to make some major decision, what I'm seeing here, because still you are at some crossroads. You don't know which decision you have to make, because under the deck is also Seven of Cups. Definitely you are in lot of confusion, what I'm seeing, Pisces. Please analyze the situation and take good decision. Yeah, you are at some crossroads. You have to make some decision. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see more about you, Pisces. Nine of Wands. I think right now you are not giving time to your loved ones. Yeah, guarded up, because you are now concentrating on your career and financial issues, what I'm seeing here. That's why give your time, bring the love into situation, the cards. Definitely you are acting like guarded up even though you have feelings for your person. Yeah, because you are at some crossroads, you have to make some decision. Yeah, Nine of Wands. Let's see. Yeah, more about the situation is Three of Swords. Yeah, you are very heartbroken right now. Yeah, I think Sagittarius reading also like this. So if you want to watch, please do watch. I think Three of Swords, definitely you are heartbroken right now, because due to separation, it is the challenging time for you, Pisces. Definitely you are heartbroken, and you love your person a lot, but you are not talking to them right now because you are in separation with them. Yeah, you are feeling lost, you are feeling sad, you are missing them so much. Yeah. But outcome is the Ace of Wands. Definitely you will be out of this energy. Definitely some communication is going to be happen between both of you, and you are thinking about to communicate them. Definitely there is some communication and brand new beginnings will happen, but you are in this energy. That's why you are guarded up. You are not opening up for anyone, because you are undergoing so much pain right now, Pisces. Hopes and fears, Princess of Cups. Yeah, you have strong emotions for your person. Definitely, I think sometimes you are thinking about that your person loves you or not, that type of yes, you have strong emotions, and your person also have strong emotions for you. I think for some third person involved in this situation, that's why the separation is happened, what I'm seeing here. Due to maybe your person listening to their friends, whatever, that why the separation is happened was happened. And Princess of Cups, definitely you have strong emotions for your person, and you're hoping for reconciliation with them. And the outcome card. See again, Princess of Pentacles. I think it's about communication, what I'm seeing here. Definitely it's about communication. I think you want communicate, and you want to communicate with your person. You want to send some message to them, Princess of Pentacles. Definitely Page of Pentacles and Princess of Pentacles. I think communication is the key here. Definitely you are in no communication, no contact situation right now. You are willing to communicate. I think communication is going to be happen between both of you, because the outcome is Page of Pentacles, and the present situation is Page of Pentacles. See what a coincidence. Definitely there is some communication is going to be happen between both of you. Okay, don't worry. I think you will be overcome this pain, and you will start something new in your life, and relationship also some passionate new beginnings are going to be happen. So you are struggling, you are going through so much, but don't worry, definitely some communication is going to be happen. So this is the challenges, hopes, and outcome for you, Pisces. So the person involved in this connection could be fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Yeah, this is the reading for you. So under the deck, Six of Wands, definitely you will get success, Pisces. So this is the reading for you, Pisces. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.